Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide following list on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, tap on profile icon and your following list. Okay, then tap on three line option. Scroll down, how can see your content. Okay, then account privacy and public your account. Okay, then private account, just click this option and your account is private, and hide following list on Instagram. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.